Something is happening in the tattoo industry that has never happened before. The European government is looking to ban the uses of blue and green ink. This is already put in place. This is already happening. By 2023, we are not going to be allowed to use these inks no more. And that's not just blue, that's not just green. This accounts for almost 80% of the inks that are on the markets. This is flesh tones, this is browns, this is purples. Almost all the colours we use, we're not going to have no more. This is never going to be the same again. Unless everyone, me, you, tattooers, non-people, anyone that cares about art needs to act now. Down in the description, you're going to see a link to save the pigments. Go on there, sign a petition. It's quite easy, just click at the top. There's a little drop down button that goes into English. Click on that, it don't take too long to do. If we don't act now, we're going to lose these colours forever. And this isn't just Europe. This will go to America, this will go to the rest of the world. This will affect every single country in the world, and it will never go back to the same again. If you're an artist, we need to start stopping this. We can't let this happen. Because where does it end? This will not end at just blue. This will not end at green. This will go on and on. This will start hitting black inks until basically it's wiped off the map. Okay? They don't want us doing this. They can't regulate it. Okay? These inks are safe. They've been used for years and years and years. As long as tattoo's been going on, these colours have been used. There's no real evidence of them being dangerous. Okay? There's no real proof of it. There's no real acknowledgement of it. And tattooing is a form of consent. You should be able to decide what to do with your body. If you want a colour tattoo, you should be able to choose that. It should not be for the government to choose what you do with your body. Colour tattoos accumulates almost like half of tattooing. It's half of what we do. We do black and grey, we do colour. You're going to take away the creativity. Everything we do is going to be taken away from us. Anyone who has colour tattoos, you won't be able to have that no more. You won't have the option. If you want sort of skin tones in there, if you want blues, greens, purples, browns, all these tones, you're not going to be able to have that. It's not going to be available to you. We need to act now. If we don't act now, that's it. It's game over. Okay? Now, if there's anything you can do today, it literally takes 5-10 minutes of your time. Just go sign that petition, people. If we don't act now, the change is going to happen. And it will not go back to the way it was before. So please, I'm begging everyone, please, sign a petition and let's stop this happening.